In this video, we'll show you what to do if your Acer laptop screen is flickering on Windows 11. So to fix this, first right click anywhere on the desktop and then select display settings. Now in the settings window that opens, scroll down and then go to advanced display. Now in here you will need to select this refresh rate drop down menu and then choose a different refresh rate. So if you are on 144 Hz for instance, you can try using 60 Hz and see if that fixes the problem. However, if that doesn't work, what you can do is try resetting the graphics driver. For this you will need to press Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B together on your keyboard and your screen will flash for a second. After that, see if screen flickering has stopped. If it still hasn't stopped, what you can do is right click on the start icon and then select task manager from the list. So this will open the task manager window. You don't need to do anything here, but you need to check if the task manager window is flickering or if the screen flickering issue is specific to the app that you are using. If the task manager window doesn't flicker, it means that the problem is with the app and not with your laptop. You can try reinstalling the app and see if that fixes the problem. However, if the task manager window also flickers, what you can do is right click on the start icon and then go to device manager from the list. Now in the device manager window, expand this display adapters driver. Now right click on your graphics card and then select uninstall device. Now tick this particular checkbox and select uninstall again. After that, simply go ahead and restart your Acer laptop and your issue should be resolved. However, if nothing else works, you may need to hard reset your Acer laptop. For that, shut down your Acer laptop and unplug everything including the charger and all the other USB devices. Once you have done that, press and hold the power button on your Acer laptop for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, simply plug the charger back in and then try to turn on your Acer laptop. Once you do that, your Acer laptop should work as expected.